Dodge key fobs, including those for Ram trucks and Charger sedans from 2020 and newer models, typically use a CR2032 3-volt coin cell battery. To start, locate the seam on your key fob, often along the sides. Use a small flathead screwdriver or a dedicated key fob opener tool to gently pry open the case. The case is held together by plastic clips, so avoid using excessive force to prevent damage. Once open, carefully remove the old battery, noting its orientation. Most fobs require the positive side to face up. Clean the battery contacts with a soft cloth if there's any visible dirt or corrosion. For 2021 and newer Charger models, look for a release button that simplifies opening the fob. With the key fob open and the old battery removed, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring it matches the orientation of the old one with the positive side up. Seat the battery firmly in place. Snap the key fob case back together, ensuring all clips are securely fastened. Test the functionality by attempting to lock and unlock your vehicle remotely. If the key fob doesn't work, double-check the battery type, polarity, and ensure the contacts are clean. If issues persist, consider the possibility of a faulty fob requiring professional repair or rarely reprogramming at a dealership, especially for newer models with proximity sensors. Rechargeable CR2032 options are available for a more sustainable solution.